Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips series. If you're dealing with a Netgear router that's blinking orange in 2025, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can be frustrating, but it's often fixable with a few simple steps. Today, we're breaking it down so you can get your router back up and running quickly. Let's jump right in. First, what does that blinking orange light mean? On most Netgear routers, it typically signals a problem with your internet connection, such as a weak signal from your ISP, or it could indicate an internal issue like outdated firmware or hardware glitches. It's the router's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. Don't panic. We'll troubleshoot this step by step. Start with the basics. Check all your cables. Make sure the Ethernet cable from your modem to the router is securely plugged in, and verify that your power cord is properly connected. A loose connection is a frequent culprit and can be fixed in seconds. If that doesn't do the trick, try restarting your router. Unplug it from the power source, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This simple reset can clear temporary software bugs and refresh your connection. Give it a minute or two to fully reboot. Still seeing that orange light? It's time to update your firmware. Access your router's admin page by typing 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1 into your web browser. Make sure you're connected via a wired link for stability. Log in with your credentials, navigate to the firmware section, and check for updates. Download and install any available ones, as outdated software is a major cause of blinking lights. If all else fails, you might need to reset your router to factory settings. This will erase your custom configurations, so only do this as a last resort. Use the reset button on the back of the router. Hold it for 10 seconds until the lights flash. Then, you'll have to set it up again from scratch. To prevent this issue in the future, keep your firmware updated regularly and place your router in a cool, ventilated spot to avoid overheating. Also, monitor your internet service for any outages. There you have it. Your Netgear router should be back to normal. If you're still stuck, reach out to Netgear support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you next time.